Hi everyone, today we're going to work on our cutting skills. So the first thing we're going to do is gather our supplies. The supplies we need for this are scissors. I'm not sure what kind of scissors you guys have at home, but at school a lot of times we use, these are called loop scissors. This is the bigger size and then this is the smaller size depending on how big your hands are. And then here's just like a kind of regular child's pair of scissors. And then the other supplies we need, something to write with, probably a marker would be best. And then the last thing we need is something that we're gonna write on. Now I'm using a cereal box because it's gonna be easier to cut this kind of material than compared to just a regular piece of paper because a piece of paper is more flimsy. So if you have any kind of boxes at home that you've eaten everything out of, maybe your cereal, crackers, oatmeal, pancake or brownie mix box, something like that. So what I'm gonna do, where the box kind of came together here, I'm just gonna break it apart. Okay, kind of tear it apart, which is more good fine motor skills, so we have it just like this. And then I'm gonna put the computer down so you can see. I'm just gonna kind of rip it because we don't need this whole huge piece. I'm gonna rip it kind of along the edge here. Rip it, and we're just gonna use this part. Then we're gonna take our marker and we're just gonna draw some basic shapes. Now, some of you may need your parents' help drawing these shapes. And for this, again, you can use the hop-on method if you want, or just the support at the top of the marker, which would be just like this, while the child's hand is down here to help draw shapes. Or you may need to do hand over hand, or the child may be able to draw all the shapes. So I'm gonna do a circle, and I'm gonna do a triangle, and a square. So there's my three shapes. And then I'm gonna take my pair of scissors. I'm just gonna use these ones. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut out these shapes. So I'm gonna start with the square. I'm gonna put this up a little bit. I'm gonna start on one side, and I want my other hand to hold the other side of the cardboard. I'm gonna cut along the line. I need to turn my paper to get the other side and squeeze those scissors and turn it again using our other hand and squeeze the scissors. Turn it one more time for the square and squeeze those scissors. Very good. So there's my square. Cut my square out, and then I'm going to move on to the triangle. So I'm going to line my scissors up first. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And I'm going to turn. Try to stay on those lines. I need to turn again. And then using my other hand to hold. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze the last side of my triangle. Very good. Then we've got a triangle. It's our triangle. And the last one, this one's our hardest one, the circle, because this one involves a lot of turning with our other hand. So we're gonna have our other hand here. We're gotta keep turning that paper and try to stay on the lines of the circle. And if this paper is the cardboard box is too big to hold on to, you can always cut these little shapes out into smaller little sections and then do that rather than holding this giant piece like I am. That might be easier. We're gonna cut our circle and try to stay on lines, keep turning. There, very good. So there, we cut out our circle, our triangle, and our square. Very good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.